Picture this. Jesus has just finished speaking to a crowd outside Capernaum. The air is buzzing with expectation. As he's entering the town, a new story begins, one that's all about faith and humility. There was a Roman centurion living there, a man of authority with many soldiers under him. But today, he's not thinking about power or orders. His beloved servant is gravely ill, right on the edge of death. Desperate for help, the centurion hears about Jesus. He doesn't go himself, he feels unworthy. Instead, he sends some respected Jewish elders to plead with Jesus on his behalf. These elders come to Jesus saying, "This man is worthy of your help. He loves our nation and even built us a synagogue." Moved by their words, Jesus agrees to go. But as they're nearing the centurion's house, another message arrives, this time from the centurion's friends. They say, "Lord, don't trouble yourself. I'm not worthy for you to come under my roof. In fact, I didn't even feel worthy to come to you in person, but just say the word, and my servant will be healed." He adds, "I know about authority. I give orders and they're obeyed. If you speak, it will be done." Jesus is astonished. He turns to the crowd following him and says, "I tell you, I haven't found such great faith, not even in Israel." And here's the miracle. When those friends return to the house, they find the servant completely healed. No touch, no ceremony, just a word from Jesus, and faith that believed it was enough. The centurion's faith made his servant whole. What about us? Imagine what can happen when we trust in Jesus' word. Praise be to God.